Our client was Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport. The assignment? Create an in-terminal concept that would let travelers experience the Northwest Arkansas lifestyle before they even reached the curb. We showed 3 concepts. They chose this one, a semi-permanent 3D art installation featuring iconic imagery of the Buffalo National River and other Arkansas landmarks. Travelers can engage with the artwork directly and also share the moment via photos uploaded to social media platforms. We created Selfie Bear to give them a helping paw. An overhead HD monitor plays this video loop to show them how to interact with the installation. We used an overhead focused sound projector for immersive sound effects. The result? Hundreds of colorful tweets, posts, likes, shares, selfies, and broader audience impressions. The message? Northwest Arkansas starts here.